In this video, I'll show you how to install Chrome on your iPad. The Chrome browser is a pretty popular browser and you might want to have it instead of having only Safari. So if I have Safari, to check if you have Chrome installed on your iPad, you can, on the home screen, you can swipe down and then make a search for Chrome. You can make a search for Chrome and you don't see anything. That means that the Chrome browser is not installed, but it's easy to install it. You can easily install the Chrome browser on your iPad by going to the App Store, open the App Store app, and then you can make a search. Instead of going through all the menus, you can search directly for Chrome. You have Google Chrome there. Tap on Google Chrome and I have this one here. It shows me the cloud and download because I already have downloaded it before. Here you might see a button that says Get or Open. If it says Open, you already have Google Chrome on your iPad. If it says Get, you can press Get and you might have to double tap on the home screen. You might have to use Face ID or you might have to type your Apple account password. But because I have this cloud icon here, I can simply tap there. I already had it before, so that's why it shows me this cloud to download it. And while it's downloading, you can check other apps from Google. They have lots of apps for iPad. And here it should show Chrome when it's already installed. Okay, when Chrome is installed, you will see the icon for Chrome somewhere in your home screen. And if you don't see it, go to the app library and you will find it here. You can also search for it. So I open Chrome. Once you install Chrome, you have the option to choose a search engine. I choose Google, but you can search, you can use any of these search engines. So I have here, you can also set Chrome as default. Open the settings, and in the settings for Chrome, you can set the default browser app like that to Chrome. So this is in the Chrome settings, the default browser app, and I want to show you how to get to it again. So I go to apps and then search for Chrome, open Chrome, and then you see here default browser app Chrome. So that's saved there and I have Chrome here. I can open it. Now I can open a link and it's going to open with Chrome. And I could add Chrome here. I could move it to the home screen, the first page, so it's easier to open things, just like that. I can also pin it to the taskbar by long pressing and then dragging here. Chrome is a popular app, the browser app, so I'll keep it here. This is how you install Chrome on your iPad. This is iPad Pro M5 13-inch. And the space here, it might be less for 11-inch iPads, but I'm not sure. Maybe it's the same, just smaller size. This is how you install Chrome on your iPad, and Chrome is ready to use. It's also the default browser now, and you can always switch between Chrome and Safari if you want, or even Firefox or other browsers. Thanks for watching.